Welcome to Boomhauer 69's channel, and today I wanted to do a video about an off-grid product. Well, not necessarily an off-grid product, but a cooking utensil that I use every day that would work great in an off-grid situation. Is one of these, a hand mixer, and this one is made by um Elko Production Company, EKCO Product Company. Product or production company, product company. It's made in the US of A. On here it says made in the USA. I don't know if you can see that very well. Well, there, but this is a really great product to have for if you're living off grid or you're in a power outage situation and you gotta do some cooking and you ain't got a way to power your electric KitchenAid mixer. I would highly recommend getting one of these. And what I like about these is since they take no electricity, just human power, I would recommend one of these if you're living off grid, so you don't gotta worry about trying to run an electric mixer on your off grid system and putting some stress on it, And it would also save if you're running batteries, it would save on battery power too, and you wouldn't use up so much of your battery power. That's why I like using this. I'm on grid, not off grid, but I try to use this as much as I can to even save a few pennies on my electric bill. But how this works is it's got this big old gear right here, this big old round gear, and in there I don't know if you can see that very well, but it's got these little gears with teeth on them, and the teeth rub up against this, and so as you're spinning, this big old wheel is spinning your whisks, your mixers right here, your whisk or whatever they call them, and you just spin it like this. And I call this vintage because I think this was made in the early 90s, later 80s, judging by the dark wood on the handles and on the big handle here. And all you do is you just grip this big old handle like this, and you stick this in your batter, whether you're baking a cake, pancakes, or whatever the case may be for mixing, and you just go like this, and you spin it. You can go forward, backward, clockwise, counterclockwise, whatever. And you just go like that, and I had this product for many of years, and again, it's a EKCO product. So I imagine you can go on eBay or Facebook Marketplace and probably find you one of these. I know they still make these kind of mixers. You can get a brand new one off of Amazon. You just gotta shop around and stuff. But I would recommend having one of these on hand, so when the power goes out or you want to live off grid, these are definitely something I'd recommend having in the kitchen. I love this thing. It was something my mother got years ago at a thrift store or antique shop or maybe even a garage sale, and I kept it ever since. And I was so glad that she got it because, man, it's saved my butt many times. Because there was a few times when I had an electric mixer and it quit working, and I didn't have one, and then when my mother got this, I was like, oh, thank God don't gotta worry about, using an electric mixer. Now, I just hand wash this. I never put this in a dishwasher, so I don't know if it's dishwasher safe, because for a long time, I never owned a dishwasher, so, yeah. But all you do is you just simply like this, turn it like this, and that's how it works, and so if you got the manpower or human power, whatever you want to call it, you can get some good mixing in. It might take a little bit longer depending on how fast you are at mixing, but to me, I think this is a better product than using an electric mixer. But yeah, this would be perfect, I would say, for any off-grid person or anybody that's in an area where you have a lot of power outages. I would suggest getting you one of these, And I'm just making this video to let people know that these exist, just in case somebody doesn't realize that these manual, non-electric mixers exist, just in case somebody doesn't know that these exist. that's why I'm making this video. But yeah, it's been great to me. I had no problems with it whatsoever. But so if you like these sort of videos, feel free to subscribe to my channel. I'm doing tons of product reviews on different things that I like and stuff. And so yeah, if you like this sort of video, feel free to subscribe to my channel because I'll be doing more similar videos and stuff. And I hope you all have a good day, and thank you for taking the time to watch this. I hope you learned something from this, and comment below what your thoughts are on these, if you like them or dislike them, or if you found an even better product than this. Feel free to comment below, and hope you all have a good day, and hope you learned something. If you didn't, that was my cat. I have a cat, all black cat. So if you learned something, hope you learned something from this a little bit. I tried to describe it best to my knowledge. I'm not a very professional person. I don't consider myself a professional product tester reviewer guy. I'm just a basic Joe Blow sharing what he knows. But yeah, if you learned something from it, that's great. Hope you did. And thank you for taking the time to watch this, and I hope you all have a good day.